For the best bar drinks winner, does anyone else have a chance against the originator of the world famous Orange Crush? Probably not. The Harborside Bar and Grill is located in West Ocean City and its commercial harbor. So how exactly do you make an Orange Crush? And why does the Harborside Bar and Grill's Orange Crushes taste like no other? It's their secret ingredient. Start with a tumbler filled with ice, and then squeeze one whole fresh orange. Then in equal parts, freehand pour simultaneously orange-flavored vodka and triple sec to just below the rim. Then top it off and shake with the secret ingredient. Bars that are supplied by Pepsi products will use Sierra Mist. Those supplied by Coke will use Sprite. But an authentic Orange Crush will use the Dr. Pepper Lemon Lime Sparkling Soda 7-Up. And to quote James Bond, it's shaken, not stirred.